So this may be the intro to this, but this is Miss Cheryl, and she's really good people, and we're here with Ume and I don't know, will this focus?
Ume and Karina.
And Karina. Ume.
Hey guys. Oh, here we go.
And then Karina. No, we're not. We're not live. Yeah, we're not live.
Facebook Live.
But this is just gonna be a little intro to the video. It's a 2-day install. We installed.
Oh God,
we
yeah.
did the
no,
rack.
3 days.
Well, this is day 3 now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the install to Cheryl's Wrangler
My new
with
home.
with the rooftop tent. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah. So in the morning I'll take some videos, some shots, and everything like that, and you'll see it better. But yeah.
You gotta you gotta get one of these. Like,
and,
I can't imagine not having one now.
And Miss Cheryl's over here got catered. What's a foreign?
This is salmon on truffle oil.
Salmon
Oh
and
my
truffle
God!
oil, yeah.
I know this is not. This is glamping, pretty much.
Definitely fairy lights.
Yeah. And we got the fairy lights too.
Like catered. No, I haven't glamped period.
All right, I think.
I'm just gonna take a look at this hardware.
Okay, great. This is my new 2021 Rubicon. I'm really excited about this. This is my first modification. Haven't done really anything. I've got stock wheels, stock everything. And I camp a lot, so I wanted to get a rooftop tent, and I wanted to get a roof rack that was really stable and reliable. So I got ladders on this side. Show you here. I got ladders on this side as well. So anyway, it's really cool. I like the look. I like the, I had the option of a lower profile here and a higher profile. I kind of like the idea of the higher profile so I could fit stuff under there. This one I can't fit a whole lot under there, but I like it because it fits inside my garage, and I was a little concerned that if I had a higher profile it wouldn't fit. Let's see a little bit about the installation. It got a little complicated. I have to thank Lewis. I mean, he was just a genius. We had to take this out, this whole sound bar out all the way. We had to take the radio out. We relocated the radio in the front. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right above the steering wheel. And what else do we have to take out? I don't know. We had to it seemed like we had to take out the whole back here.
All right, so we're installing the Maximus 3 dual ladders here and the rack on the 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4-door, and we're gonna do the rooftop, the inca4x4 rooftop tent, the hard shell. So this is gonna go with the Rhino platform rack, and we have the instructions. This was all ordered through Maximus, so you can call them in. And yeah. So let's just take a quick look at the instructions. This is the one provided from Maximus 3, and it goes over first the Pioneer, which has its own instructions. And then remove sound bar. So I think what I'm gonna do is put together the Rhino platform first. and then we'll start putting together this Rhino, or this Maximus 3. Oh, so there it connects. So just a quick glance at the instructions. Perfect. All right, so we got the platform. Well, there's multiple videos on just building Rhino rack platforms out there, but that's one important thing. Don't be afraid if you hear it click, because that's literally in the directions. You're not stripping anything down, but
Yeah, I thought, okay, I blew it already. I blew it.
but it's basically 2 bars you set up first, then these parallel bars,
Yeah.
and then these bars have nuts that are gonna go through them. So this is one part. So where we're at with Miss Cheryl, we got the rack, the Rhino Pioneer platform rack assembled. We got the ladder mounts put in. This part here for the sound bar was actually kind of hard to figure out, but basically there's these they're 25 Torx bolts. There's 3 here and 2 here. You need to undo those. And there's 3 up front here. And that's gonna expose these 10mm nuts here to remove the sound bar. I couldn't find anything on the internet for that. And the instructions, they could have been better. All right, so we're day 2, doing the install with Miss Cheryl. That's her Jeep. She's gone on my Airbnb trips, and we're doing the Maximus 3 dual ladders with the Rhino rack Pioneer platform rack. And then let me just show you the hard parts to this so far. What we're doing to get this lined up is we took cardboard and we drilled up holes. So we're gonna flip this over, and we're gonna line up the holes to the rack. This is one of the tips I would recommend to this, because the way we drilled out the holes is we mounted the brackets. And then just drilled up, so we knew exactly where it was gonna go. So that's kind of what we did. And then the other part, the sound bar. The sound bar, you have to remove these bolts here, and the sound bar has to come off in order to get the brackets on. And then it comes with an antenna relocation kit. So this is the antenna, which we're not done doing the relocation. So that's kind of up to date where we're at. All right, so let's see.
We're gonna end up in the front with this part, not end up on the back with this part.
Yeah. Ready?
there is up front. Well,
Yeah, you're good, Miss Cheryl. Yeah. Oh yeah, you had like 10 inches, 10, 12 inches.
Sure.
yeah, you good. Just put it in. Throw it in.
That was scary.
Sure? Oh my God! All right,
Yeah.
you're right.
You had like 10 inches or 12 inches on. That's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna fit.
Okay, I'm glad we looked. All right, cool. Awesome.
All right, so we're almost there. We got both the ladders secure. They're super heavy duty. It's not going anywhere. Miss Cheryl, she's putting back her Freedom top and using the Jeep supplied tools to just do all 3 on each side, and then the 2 up front. We're gonna work on is the antenna that needs to get relocated. We couldn't find videos on the sound bar, but again, I'll just let you know, you need to take these Torx bit off. 3 on this side, 3 on that side. We pulled down on this to remove it, but it's kind of stuck in there, so it'll be a little challenging if you do this. You'll take the, if you could see them, 1, 2, 3. You take those off first, and then the rest start clipping off. And then there was 10mm bolts through here that hold. Where was it? Oh, yeah, that hold the actual sound bar up here. So just a little heads up, and I'll just kind of show you a little close-up video, so just in case you're like wondering what do I do next. I think that's what kind of got us a little bit, right, Miss Cheryl? The
Yeah,
sound bar.
for sure.
Yeah,
That was
instructions
quite a
were
surprise.
not that clear, but. And then you want to find something. Luckily, Miss Cheryl had tarps. When we drilled through some of this, like, we made a mess. And I'll just show you what we're doing for the rooftop tent. I'm pretty sure they have something to mount the rooftop tents, but Miss Cheryl was okay with just drilling through it, and it's aluminum, so it's not going to rust. So we just drilled where we needed the things for the rooftop tent. So just
So we have to reinstall it.
yeah, we had to take it off with a 10mm bolt, and then this little metal piece drops down, and then this clip here, if it focuses, you actually have to push it in order for it to come out. I was like trying to tug on it and like pull these little levers, but you just push it in and then it comes out, and that's gonna go up front now.
Okay.
So we moved it from
Might be good, huh?
that corner. Yeah, it should get. You probably didn't. It wasn't affecting the service, but it's probably better. So it's gonna go up here.